What do I need to provide to obtain my national ID number?
Welcome. Today, we're tackling a very important topic: obtaining your national ID number. This number is crucial for various activities, like paying taxes, opening bank accounts, or even signing up for some services. So, let's dive into the process and explore what documents and information you need to get this all-important number.
What is a national ID number?
A national ID number is a unique identifier issued by a government to its citizens. It's like a social fingerprint, and its primary purpose is to track individuals for Social Security and other public services. It's essential to have one, and today we'll go through the necessary steps to obtain it.
What documents do I need?
Before you can get your national ID number, there are several documents you'll need to provide. Proof of citizenship. This could be your birth certificate, passport, or any other document that proves your citizenship. Proof of address. A utility bill, rental agreement, or any other document showing your current residential address may be required. Identification. You might also need a form of photo identification like a driver's license or passport. Remember, the exact documents required may vary from country to country, so always check with your local authorities.
What information do I need to provide?
In addition to your documents, you'll need to provide some personal information. This often includes full name, date of birth, place of birth, gender, parents' names. Again, the specific information required can vary, so be sure to confirm with your local government's guidelines.
Where do I apply?
In most countries, you'll apply for your national ID number at a government office like the Department of Motor Vehicles or a local municipal office. Many countries also offer online applications, which can make the process quicker and easier. It's best to check your local government's website for the most accurate information on where to apply. And there you have it. By following these steps and ensuring you have all the necessary documents and information, you're well on your way to obtaining your national ID number. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the process can vary, so always consult your local government's guidelines. Good luck on your application.